Alright, here's your Williams Vagabond. And look how dirty the game was underneath all the plastics. See, yeah, she was a dirty girl. Very dirty. However, you cannot clean this stuff unless you strip these fully down. And that's what I do. And it was time for this game to get a full strip down in its life to be brought back to new. So I just gotta pull the pop bumpers off, the flippers, drop all these switches, get the slingshots down, and that will be the end of the playfield, and then all those drop targets too. And then we will polish it and wax it.